Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this awesome beets and carrot juice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So this is my beets and my carrots, and I went ahead and just washed my carrots and my beets properly. And please note, I'm not going to remove the skin from my beets. However, I went ahead and scrape my carrot just to remove anything that I don't want on it, including, sometimes you have some dirt on your carrot. You don't want all of that on it, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and just chop them up in the desired size that I want it to be in. And also, guys, please take into consideration that it depends on your blender. So if your blender cannot manage large chunks of food, you can always go ahead and chop it up a little bit smaller, all right? So now I'm gonna go in and just chop up my beets. And so just so you guys know, you cannot get all of these ingredients that I'm using today at your local supermarket or grocery store. Guys, I always say this in my videos. I want you guys to be creative with your food. I want you guys to be you in the kitchen and just utilize whatever you have at home, alright? Always remember that you are the author of your story, alright? So don't let anybody tell you what to do and what not to do. Just be you and work with what you have at home, all right? I try to make these recipes as easy as simple for you, just for you guys, all right? So once I'm finished chopping up both my beets and my carrots, I'm gonna go in and blend. And again, you always want to put just a small amount. You don't want to overload your blender, all right? So to this, I'm going to add some freshly grated nutmeg as well, some cinnamon powder, some mixed spice, and some vanilla flavoring, all right? If you guys don't want to add all of these items to it, or if you don't want to go this route of adding all of these things that I'm adding, you can always go ahead and use some lime juice and some sugar to sweeten, all right? Because I know a lot of persons don't like condensed milk in their juice, so you can always substitute, all right? Or you can probably use a little bit of honey to sweeten, or you can just drink it by itself just as it is, all right? So we're just going to blend this for a few minutes, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like, all right? So we want it to blend properly, and because we don't want to leave anything behind, all right? We're going to utilize everything today. So I like to blend and then I stop and then I blend again. That way I am sure that everything is blended properly. Alright. So this is what my beets and my carrot looks like. As you can see, it is well blended. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and strain. And guys, I find this recipe very easy and simple for you guys. And listen, anybody can make this, alright? So I have my strainer and I also have a container. And guys, I'm just gonna let you guys know, try to strain at least twice, all right? Because sometimes when you strain one time, it always leave back some of the pulps in the juice, and you want to get rid of all of that. Although I know some persons might like the taste of the pulp in their mouth, but for me, I don't really like it. When I'm drinking, I just want to drink straight. So guys, look at the color of the juice, looking rich. We don't want any watered down juice around here. We want rich, nice juice. So try to get out all of the juice, from out of the beets and the carrots, all right? So as for the rest of the carrots and the beets, I'm gonna go ahead and just blend that off camera and show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is it. As you can see, the juice looking all rich. So now it's time to go ahead and sweeten with my condensed milk. As I said earlier, you guys don't have to use the condensed milk to sweeten. You can always go ahead and use any other product to sweeten, because I know some persons don't like condensed milk. Alright, so if you don't want the condensed milk, use some sugar and some lime juice, or you can just use some honey, or you can just drink it as it is. Alright, but make sure it is very rich. So we're just going to serve this up now, and this is it. So we're just going to get our mason jar, and we're going to add some ice, and we serve it ice cool. So this is the final product, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe today. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Guys, remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys.